Number 40, the last question of this paper. The number of Atlantic bluefin tuna fish found in the Atlantic Ocean has significantly decreased in the last 50 years. Which method would make the biggest improvement in the conservation of tuna fish stocks? Of course, in order to conserve tuna fish, what we can do is, A is not correct. You have to increase the size of the holes in fishing nets so that the young ones can just escape and we only catch the bigger ones. Genetic engineering of tuna? Not sure about that because this is rather very vague. So we want to conserve. We don't want to change the tuna, right? Number C, introducing fishing quotas. Yes, if we set the number of fishes that can be number of fish or number of tunas that can be caught in a day or month, we can certainly conserve the number of tuna. Okay, selective breeding of tuna? No, it's going to create another type of tuna. We're not conserving it. Okay, so C is the right answer for this one. We're good?